Ahoy there, it's Hannah from WTI, and these are the Pirates Ride scented candles from Magic Scent Factory.
This set of candles is an absolute must-have for any Disney fanatic, especially if you love the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. The minute you smell and light this candle, you will feel like you have been transported straight to the Magic Kingdom and that you are about to board the Pirates ride. You are going to feel exactly like you are on this flume ride, going through your favorite scenes with the High Seas scent, the Pillage and Plunder scent, as well as the Dockside scent. You are going to feel that you are immersed exactly on your favorite water ride. As someone who is a frequent Disney goer, I can completely say that these smell exactly like the ride. I am so impressed, and I know now that whenever I need a little pick-me-up and want to pretend I'm at Disney, I can just light these candles.
So if you want to feel like you're on your favorite Disney ride, then get these candles from Magic Scent Factory. You will be so glad you did, and that be my point of view.